These are the Sugar Baby and Milk Dud kittens. They are 3 weeks old now. After 2 weeks of moving them all around, the mothers decided co-parenting is the way to go. So for the last few days, they've been raising them together, which is, either way is fine with me. This is the Silver and Classic Tabby male with the milk mustache. This is a Milk Dud baby. And here's another Milk Dud baby. This is a female Classic Tabby sable in white. Hello, baby. And this is the third Milk Dud baby. Another sable Classic Tabby in white. And this one's a male. Hello. Can you look at the camera? Yeah. That's a good boy. Milk Dud's right here. There goes Sugar Baby. And here's one of Sugar Baby's babies. And this is a Mackerel Tabby in white. And the daddy to this litter is Wilbur Bud. And there's one more. This is a Sugar Baby. And this is, oh my goodness, look at that milk mustache. This is a sable tortie and white kitty. Probably sable patched tabby in white. And this is a female. And Raisinette decided to join us. You see a camera, you just can't stay away, can you, Raisinette?